If you're a passenger in a vehicle, you have almost no obligation to identify yourself to an officer, and I recommend not identifying yourself to an officer. I've seen a lot of arrests lately based off of officers identifying the passenger. Either there's a warrant for their arrest, or it turns out that there's a protective order between the driver and a passenger, and the passenger choosing to identify themselves lead to them getting arrested. The only time you have to identify yourself, unless you're under arrest, is if you're driving a car, because then you've got to prove that have a license to drive the car. But aside from that, you only have to identify yourself if you're under arrest in Texas. Don't give the false information, because that could lead to other charges. But you don't have to identify yourself. Just let the officer know that you're choosing not to identify yourself. Exercise that right to remain silent and demand to speak with an attorney. And hopefully that prevents you from end up getting arrested. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, or my info is in my bio. Have a great day.